We are back this Friday with 3 words we love to hear at KPRC2. Spencer solves it.
That's right.
Our Bill Spencer has helped hundreds of people over the years get through tragedies, financial hardships, medical emergencies, you name it.
Yeah, and now he's done it again. This time, though, giving a veteran Marine who was nearly murdered his smile back. Here's Bill with an update.
It's dinner time for Marine veteran Chris Katthage. But this meal will be very soft and easy to digest because Chris can only eat soft foods for 2 reasons. 1, the horrible condition of his teeth.
Chris, show me what you got as far as your teeth go.
And 2, because of a brutal attack in which Chris was shot 9 times right outside his apartment. Chris nearly died in surgery and had his digestive system ripped apart by the bullets.
I was in Bentop ICU for 3 months. I was in a coma for 42 days. I lost 85 pounds and had 14 surgeries.
Chris suddenly went from a strapping bodybuilding personal trainer to barely being able to walk. The VA took care of his medical expenses, but there was one thing that Chris couldn't pay for: to have his mouth rebuilt. So he wrote to Spencer Solves It for help.
Tell me how badly you want to get your teeth fixed.
I'd be speechless. I'll start crying.
Let's go ahead and take a look in your mouth. Go ahead and open.
And right away, we bring in dentist Dr. Terri Alani, who's helped the Spencer Solves It team more than a dozen times now.
He is determined to get better and live his life the best way possible, and I want to be part of that for him.
Now, Terri and oral surgeon Dr. Stephen Koo will take on fixing Chris's mouth, removing almost all his teeth, bonding the remaining teeth, creating dentures and partial dentures, $20,000 worth of dental work that they will do absolutely free. 6 months later, we're ready to show Chris his brand new mouth.
Are you ready for the big reveal?
Oh my God. That looks so amazing. Thank you so much.
I know. Oh, you're a big guy, too. Wow. I like these hugs.
What a gigantic difference from before to after to project completed.
With these teeth, I'm able to eat, I'm able to chew, I'm able to, gain my health back. There's no words, there's just complete gratitude, love. But I love you guys so much. I thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart.
You're welcome, man. You look incredible.
Thank you so much.
Let me see that big, beautiful smile. God, is that beautiful.
They're amazing. Thank you so much.
I want you to know that Chris is incredibly patriotic, as well as he is tough and strong. He was born in South Africa and signed up to serve in the Marine Corps after 9/11 because he loves this country so much.